Arm Accuracy Super Resolution, or Arm ASR, is a shader-based temporal upscaler built specifically for mobile. Arm ASR helps you maintain smooth frame rates, preserve battery life, and still hit the visual quality today's players expect. Arm ASR builds on the proven power of AMD's Fidelity FX Super Resolution 2, extending it and optimizing it for the unique demands of mobile devices. In this video, we'll show you how to install, activate and fine-tune Arm ASR in your Unreal Engine project so that you can get the best performance and visuals on mobile. To get started, download the Arm ASR plugin from Unreal Engine's Fab Store and put it in your project's plugins folder. When you start your project in Unreal Editor, you will need to regenerate Visual Studio project files and recompile your project. Go to the Plugins window, search for Arm, and check that the Arm ASR plugin is enabled. Click the play button to launch your level, and let's check the Arm ASR status. Open the console and type r.armasr.enable. A value of 0 means Arm ASR is currently off. If we use this command to see the active upscaler, we can see that it's still Unreal's default. To enable Arm ASR, type r.armasr.enable 1. You'll now see the temporal upscaler switch to Arm ASR. Let's change the upscaling ratio with r.screen%. You'll notice the input resolution drops significantly, which improves performance, while Arm ASR upscales the image back to your display resolution. Next, we'll check the auto exposure setting with r.armasr.auto exposure. To enable it, set it to 1. This allows Arm ASR to adapt image exposure dynamically, enhancing brightness transitions in-game. You can generate a reactive mask with r.armasr.createReactiveMask1. This highlights areas with rapid motion or transparency, guiding Arm ASR to upscale them more intelligently. Arm ASR includes 4 built-in quality presets, giving developers control over performance and visual trade-offs. Quality mode prioritizes the highest visual fidelity, best for premium devices but with a higher GPU cost. Balanced mode offers the best mix of image quality and performance for most devices. Performance mode reduces image quality to maximize frame rates and battery life, ideal for efficiency-focused builds. Ultra performance mode removes or simplifies some of the heavier computations, further reducing image quality but improving speed and lower memory usage, ideal for low-end GPUs or battery-sensitive devices. Use r.armasr.shaderQuality to view or set the current quality preset. 1 for quality mode, 2 for balance mode, 3 for performance mode, and 4 for ultra performance mode. If you prefer to use the UI, go to Edit Project Settings, search for Arm ASR, and you can control everything from here. With Arm ASR, you get powerful, flexible upscaling for Unreal Engine on mobile, balancing performance and visual quality. Whether you're targeting high-end devices or optimizing for battery life, Arm ASR adapts to your needs. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing!